Stop by and take a look at the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, ambient lighting, voice-activated navigation system, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.